show you how to use AntBot as a future trading bot and earn passive income with it, and I'll show you some tricks and tips. So let's get started. So what you're gonna do is register here, antbot.io, fill your information and verification code, password, and you might put the referral ID here. This is my referral ID. You can put it to get some reward. So once you have done that, once you have registered, once you have put your email, password, and all the things, so head back to Binance account. This is my test account. I mean, it's not my real account though. So I'll be showing you. I'll show you my real account later. So I'll just now show you how to set up AntBot. So go to your account and click this icon and head over to API management. So when you came here, so you'll see this menu. So you just need to create an API so that AntBot can connect to your Binance account, and through it you can trade crypto on AntBot. So you just hit create account. Just level the API. I'm just saying AntBot. You can put it anything. So next, just a simple verification, and you need to do the all security test. So I just click submit, and you will see your API. I'm just creating it. I'm not blurring it because I'll delete it later. So all you have to do is enable some of the API restrictions. So you need to edit restriction. Then you can click here. The most important part is clicking here and here. That's the important part. You can if you do not need to enable this, so that's it. So restrict, yeah, that's it. So you just need to save it and get code. It will ask you. So your API is enabled now, and your work is done here. So you need to copy this code. You need to copy this code like that, or you can just copy here and copy the secret key like that. So in order to use AntBot, you need to download the app from Play Store. So you can find it, AntBot Play Store. So you need to download it on your phone. Then so I'm going to my phone now. As I'm going to my phone, as you can see, I'm already logged into my AntBot account, which I just created. So I'll just go here, API binding, and use Binance. Then you can scan the one code here like that. You can scan the code. But you'll need to put the secret key here. So let me just try to copy here again and put it here. Yeah, it's work. So I'm just gonna import the code and voila, there we go. So that's how you will connect the API binding and enable your trading. So when you do that first time, you will receive a bonus let me show you bonus of 500 energy, which you will need for trading. So as I have already done it before, so I have no energy. So I'll switch back to my main account, main AntBot account, and show the rest of you. So I'll just log out from here, log out, and I'll be back after logging in my main account. Logged in my main account. As you can see, this is my main account, and you can see here my asset. I have 589 USD in my future account and $107 on my spot account. So let me just show you my profit section here. As you can see, few days ago, yesterday, I have $25 profit and $35 profit. I usually like to trade manually, but when I feel busy and the market is stable, I switch to AntBot. I have few many accounts here, so yeah, as you can see, I have already purchased energy, so I have 4,000 energy left. You'll get free energy pretty often, so don't worry about it. So for now, I'll just show you how to trade here. So you can see the market is good, no fear level, above 60% fear level, so it's quite good. So I'll just show you how you should trade using the AntBot. So all you need to do is go to market and all, and click the all option and find the suitable crypto. For instance, I'd like to trade on ETH. It's the most stable and has the profit, most of the profit. So all you have to do is use your just use the you can see that there's a lot of options. So I'd like to trade using the AIDCA. You can see that there are over 100,000 strategies running currently. So if you click AIDCA, you can see the pair ETH and USD. So sorry for the background noise, sorry. You can see the ETH and USDT, and as you can see, there is a count option right underneath that. So I'll switch the mouse. As you can see, there is a count option. One count equals 0.0018. What it means is your asset will be, whatever you have in your account will be considered as count. So as you can see, you have count equal, your initial position for it is 32.35 USDT. Let's clear it. So initial position, initial position is something that you should not worry about, because we have the leverage option. We can take max up to 100 leverage, so no one would do that basically. So I'd suggest you, if you are new here, you go for the 5x leverage, but if you have a small amount of capital, so for my instance, as you can see, I have 500, around 600 capital. So I'll just go to market and ETH, and below I'll just run the and fund allocation here. As you can see, I have the AIDCA futures, so I'll choose all. I'll let the all default settings, so don't put long or short, just put the shock. The AI will automatically do the rest for you. So if you have taken 5x levers, it's okay for the beginners. So your initial position here, you can see that how much you can put in your position. So if you want to match the position here, here you can see your position is 1526 and your available is 1800. So if you want to put more, as you can see, you cannot put, it's red, because you have only $1800 for now. So if you want to put more, your initial position, you have to increase the leverage. The leverage will be increasing your capital. So if you put 20x, you can see you have now 7,000. You have now 7,000 and you have initial position 20. That's how it's work, and you can increase your position like that. As you can see, we have initial 6,000. So you are putting $6,000 for ETH to DCA. So I'm not going to put 20x. I'll put, for now, I'll put 5x. You can choose whatever you want, but don't put too much. Your balance will be liquidated to the market. So don't put too much. Just use the default setting for now. For beginners, I would say use the default settings. So as you can see, my count is 1800 and my position is 1500. So I'll leave it like that. Then next here you can see the parameter. Don't change those. Those are important. Double opening means you will put two openings, like short and long, and whichever takes profit, it will close the trade and take the profit from here. And smart converting is the same thing. So parameter is cycle, that's okay, and optional, you don't need to do that. If you want to take profit, your specifically take profit or stop loss your balance, you might put the stop loss here, like amount or price. You can just put the stop loss here. I suggest, if you can afford amount, like you can choose amount and your stop loss would be $5. If you put that, whenever you lose $5, your trade will be cancelled and all your money get back to your future account. It's like that. So I'll just put 0 for now and 5x and launch the. I'm going to tell you, you cannot put your all asset in just one go. So you have to keep something for the market to recover if in case the market crashes and you have lost. So you have to some remaining balance to create another position. So you cannot put everything here. So I'll just give it a 10. So as you can see, we are trading now $763. I mean, I'm just putting initial position 10 and it's equivalent to count, and the amount you put here is the max position. So if I put 10, I have now 760. Start our first position and see how it's work. For now, I'm going to take 10x leverage I usually take 10x leverage, but sometimes when I do trade manually, so I put 20x, 30x, depending on the situation. So I also do the manual trading. You can see here join my Telegram channel, see my manual trading guide. So for now I'm going to use 10x leverage. You can see my initial position here is 20, so it's count here as 1500. So I cannot change that as if I need to change 15,000, 1500, I need to change here. Like if I put 15, you can see 1100. So you have to change your position like that. You need to change your initial position in order to change that. So you can see your available count is 3600. It's pretty much it. So I'll just put launch, and there you go. You just created two new order, and depending on the market price and ratio, you will get your reward. As you can see, we have 3% profit here and 4% downgrade here. It will eventually go up. As you can see, my profit, whenever I trade manually, I earn 15 to 60 dollar, $50 to $60 a day. And whenever I'm busy and doing other things, and you can see my profit is $25 is in August. I mean, yeah. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoy this video. So if you need any help, ask me my Telegram channel. You can join here. I'm sharing some tips and tricks about trading. And for now, so let's see and check our trade. As you can see, our trade is still learning. So all you need to do is check your asset after that and see how it works. So just give it a try and see how things went.